there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: making money online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, I've got 5 proven methods that you can start using today. Let's get into it. First up, freelancing. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients who need your skills. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or marketer, there's a job for you. Just create a profile, showcase your portfolio, and start bidding on projects. You set your rates and work on your own schedule. It's a great way to turn your talents into cash. Next, e-commerce and dropshipping. Platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and eBay make it easy to sell products online. With dropshipping, you don't even need to handle inventory. You set up an online store, list products from suppliers, and when someone makes a purchase, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. It's a low-risk way to start your own business. Third on our list is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Join programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Choose products you believe in and share them on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media. It's a great way to monetize your online presence. Fourth, online courses and coaching. If you're an expert in a field, why not teach others? Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera let you create and sell courses. Alternatively, offer coaching services through video calls or webinars. Share your knowledge and get paid for it. Last but not least, content creation. Platforms like YouTube, Twitch, and blogging can be lucrative if you build an audience. Earn through ad revenue, sponsorships, donations, and merchandise sales. It takes time and effort, but it can be incredibly rewarding. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our tips and tricks. Have you tried any of these methods? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.